Hirect Ltd has won its first ever order from Indian Railways Modern Coach Factory to supply propulsion system for 4 mainline electric multiple unit train sets. The domestic order is worth around 60 crore rupees and will be completed within 24 months. This marks the company's entry into the MEMU train segment and is expected to strengthen its railway business. Sigma Advanced System has secured a $104.9 million around 1013 crore rupees export order from a North American customer to supply 147,000 extended range 155 mm artillery shell bodies. The order will be executed over the next 6 to 12 months and is expected to boost the company's global defense presence and profitability. Waaree Renewable Technologies has received 2 EPC orders to build ground-mounted solar power plants with a combined capacity of 800 MW alternating current from a leading Indian renewable energy company. The projects are scheduled for completion during fiscal year 2027-28, strengthening the company's order pipeline in the solar EPC business. Welspun Corp has received a new 960 crore rupees order to supply quarter line pipes from its Little Rock, USA facility. With this contract, the company's global order book has crossed 25,750 crore rupees, the highest in its history, providing strong revenue visibility through fiscal year 2027 and fiscal year 2028.